Okay, so I had this moment a few months ago. I'm sure you must have also faced it, where I was watching yet another YouTube video about AI, and this guy was talking about agents, like building AI agents. And he was showing all these tools connected with each other, these automations, and the whole ecosystem that he built basically from scratch. I remember thinking that I'm never gonna do this, and probably that's not for me. So I kept thinking that I don't fully understand what AI is because I won't be able to work with AI agents ever. And I almost like closed the tab and decided that this is a big black hole and I will only ever know the tip of it. I realized that I'd been watching the wrong videos. And that's what stopped me. I'd been looking for what people were building with AI when what I actually needed to learn was how to use it. Now, those are two completely different things. Building AI tools, it's a tech skill, something that most non-tech professionals would be mind boggled about, and you probably need to code or at least need to think like someone who does. But using AI well, now that is a thinking skill. So if you're a marketer, writer, business owner, someone who works with ideas and words and decisions every day, you already have that skill. You just haven't pointed it at AI yet. So let me tell you what actually changed things for me. I stopped trying to use those fancy, like set up those fancy systems, and I stopped watching those kind of tutorials about automation, and I just started talking to it. Okay, just talking like a colleague, like I'm doing right now, in a very patient, very available, um, colleague who would never make you feel stupid for asking something twice. So I've had like messy thoughts and something I was trying to figure out for work. Instead of just like sitting with confusion, I just typed it. Maybe not a perfect question, maybe not understanding what prompts meant, but just like messy, and something would come back. So that's it. That was the workflow. Just thinking out loud, getting a response, and reacting to it and then going again. That was the cycle. There was no agents, no automation, no technical setup whatsoever, just me, the browser tab, and this half informed thought that I had. So, now here's the thing that I want you to really hear, because this took me longer than it should have to understand. AI is not a search engine. It's not really Google with better grammar. So when you type something into Google, you're looking for an answer that already exists somewhere on the internet. But when you talk to AI, you are thinking with someone. So you're in a conversation, and the quality of that conversation depends almost entirely on how clearly you're able to say what you actually need. Now, that skill, that's the thinking skill. It's not coding, it's not building, it's not understanding how this technology works behind the scenes. It's just knowing how to think out loud. You give it a context, and that context is like, this is my situation, this is what I'm trying to do, and this is what is getting in the way, or this is what my problem is. Can you help me around? And if you've ever briefed a colleague or like written a brief in general explaining problem to your friend or something, you can definitely do this. You're already doing this, in fact, and you just need to learn where to point it. So I know there is this version of you watching this that feels like everyone else figured AI out and you missed the bus. Like, there was a class that you didn't attend, and now you're just supposed to pretend that you know what's going on, and you keep nodding. And I felt that for long enough, like longer than I would like to admit. But here's what I've come to believe after actually using this stuff every day. The people getting the most out of AI are not the most technical people. They are the clearest thinkers. Like, they know how to ask a good question, the ones who describe a problem clearly, the ones who can look at an output and say, that's, not quite right, and let me tell you why. That's you. That's already you. So here's where we are. This is a free mini course. There are going to be 3 phases in this video, and it's not going to be anything too techy, overwhelming. It's just like this honest, practical, from experience stuff that you'll take from this. you know AI feels like it's not for me to actually using it, maybe, and being able to probably even explain it to someone else. Each video can also stand on its own, so you can start from anywhere you want, but if you're starting here, you are starting at the right place. And this is phase one, which is all about understanding AI before you start using it. And yeah, then that's where we will go from. And because the biggest mistake people make with AI, they start using it before really understanding it, like I did once. Everything just feels random. So you tend to give up. So we are not doing that. And that is why this course is something that I feel it's very different from the other AI videos that you must have watched. And yeah, that's the point. So if you have felt that too, stick around.